Hi, Mrs. Bennett here again. I'm going to show you how to play a song on the ukulele today. It's called Aute. Some of you might recognise this song from the Pacifica group when we performed it last year, or if you were in the Pacifica group. Now I know lots of you have got ukuleles at home, but I also know lots of you don't have ukuleles at home, and that's fine. What you can do is just sing along to the words of the song, or when we get back to school, you can have a go at playing this song on the school ukuleles. Okay? Okay, it might be a bit weird to not be seeing my face, but it's easier for me to show you up close the chords that we use in Aute. Okay, so the first chord you know is C. 3rd fret, bottom string, C. Kapai. I think that's the easiest chord to play on the ukulele personally, because you just use one string and one finger. The second chord that we use is an F. This one is a little bit trickier. You use the 1st fret and the 2nd fret. Okay, so with an F, you're going to not do the 1st string, but do the 2nd string on the 1st fret. And you can use whatever finger is comfortable, but I prefer using this finger, that one there. And then on the 2nd fret, you're going to use the top string. Okay, let me show that to you again. So it's the 2nd string up from the bottom and the top string. Can you see that? That is an F. Okay. And the final chord we use in Aute is a G. And that one, you go to the 3rd fret, 2nd string up. Then you're going to make a kind of triangle with these two fingers here. So you're going to go to the 2nd fret, use the bottom string and the 3rd string up, just like that. And that's a G. If you want to get really tricky and technical, you could try a G7, which is the same thing, just in the reversed positions like this. But that's getting pretty technical. I like using the normal G. They don't sound too different, do they? That's normal G. This is G7. They sound quite similar. Either one, whichever one is easier for you to use is fine. So the pattern for Aute goes C, then you go to an F, then you go back to a C, and then a G. Let me just play those first two lines for you. Okay, I'll try and go a little bit slower. Only on F for a little bit there. Lo usei manaya. Back to C. La 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 ta lo fa mai Samoa. Okay, have a try at that, guys. And like I said, if you don't have a ukulele at home, you can sing along with the words at the bottom of the screen, or you can have a practice when you get back to school. I know we're going to have lots of awesome ukulele players at school.